Now, government spokesperson Eric Kiraithe says the drought situation in the country will last until November 2017 as the country awaits the next long rains. One person has been confirmed dead in Kilifi County as the government allocates an additional 5.8 billion shillings towards food relief.
The drought will persist into 2017, and the effects will go all the way to around September, October. What you need to understand is that once the drought has been there and the effects are there, we must wait for the next long rains for the situation to normalize. For purposes of intervention, the government has divided the areas into 3 levels. There is alert, alarm, and emergency. There are a few other normal areas which are under observation. So far, only Kilifi, that is specifically the livestock ranching zone, has been classified as an emergency. Areas which are alarming, the situation is alarming, include Garissa, Kwale, Lamu, Marsabit, and those other areas of Kilifi. The areas which the government has placed on alert include Kajiado, Laikipia, West Pokot, Isiolo, Makueni, Mandera, Meru North, Narok, Samburu, Taita Taveta, Turkana, Wajir, and parts of Tharaka Nithi.